In Secure IQ version 3.00.2, a new search type, direction, has been added. A direction search will detect objects moving in a certain direction through a region of interest. To perform a direction search, navigate to Monitoring, Video Monitoring, then click on the Video Search button. Enter a camera name and select a camera from the returned list. From the Search Type drop-down, select Direction. Select a time range and using the calendar icon, select a start date and time. You can click on Add a person or object and select a person, object and other properties. You can also use the area selection tools and draw a region of interest or select a predefined alarm rule previously configured on the VideoEdge NVR. Under Advanced Options, select a direction. Once all parameters are selected and the search button is clicked, the device search results will populate. From here, users can view and export the footage.